Hey everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. It's the start of spring. This is one of my favorite times to pitch television. I'm actually going to be on TV in 2 weeks doing spring hacks, spring cleaning hacks. But this is such an ideal time to pitch TV. You've got spring, new awakenings, you've got Mother's Day, you've got Father's Day in June, and you have graduation. This is what I tell everybody, all of my clients. Every single person watching this video has a story to pitch television related to graduates, whether it's high school graduates or college graduates. And specifically college graduates, we all bring an expertise in our industry. No matter what you are, if you're a real estate agent, what does that college graduate need to do to prepare to buy a house someday? If you're a financial planner, what does that college graduate need to do to start putting away money now to be set for retirement or when they decide to have kids? So really look at your industry and what advice you can give a college graduate. And then for TV, you want to make it personable and fun. If you're on a morning show, is there a visual that you have? Do you have a book that you could bring? Depending on what it is, do you have B-roll, which is just footage that you take off of your camera that they could insert in, or photographs related to the industry? But again, every single person watching has something that they can pitch a story to their local television that will help a college graduate. So that is this week's PR tip. If you'd like to learn more, I launched my PR playbook at yourprplaybook.com that really gives you a step-by-step on how to pitch the media and how to start having this amazing success. So check it out, yourprplaybook.com, and I can't wait to see you in the media.